Hi guys, I'm KP Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. Xiao Long Bao is the most delicate dim sum and it is challenging to make. I've watched a video released by the famed restaurant Ding Tai Fung, and it's mentioned that it takes 3 days to complete it. 3 days? That's way too long for a home cook like me. So I've taken the challenge to complete it in 1 day at home. And in between, there's a lot of passive cooking, simmering, waiting, and I'm concurrently doing something else at home during the weekend. Are you interested to know how to make it? Keep watching. We start the preparation by preparing the aspic. Clean the chicken bones with water. Place the bones in a stock pot filled with water enough to submerge all the bones. Peppercorns. Add the ginger slices, scallion. Bring the water to boil. Remove the scums floating on the surface. Reduce the heat to bare simmer for 1 hour. Clean the chicken feet. Cut off the claws. Add the chicken feet to the stock pots. Continue to simmer over low heat for another 2 hours. At this point, all the essence from the chicken has been released into the broth, and the meat attached to the bones will fall off once you touch it gently. Remove the bones and the chicken feet. Pour the broth through a wire mesh strainer and then a cloth bag to remove all the small debris. Transfer it to a container and refrigerate overnight. Next, get ready the filling. To prepare the ginger scallion water, cut the scallions into short sections and coarsely chop the ginger. Transfer to a small pot of cold water. Bring it to the boil and simmer for 3 minutes. Strain to get the clean ginger scallion extract. Cut the meat into small pieces, then mince it finely. Add the seasoning, sugar,
like soy sauce, salt, white pepper, sesame oil, some Chinese rice wine, and a ginger scallion water. Mix all the ingredients very well until it turns into a meat paste. Jiggle when you shake it. On the next day, remove the chicken aspic from the refrigerator. Cut it into small pieces and mix it with the meat filling. Add the aspic to the minced meat and mix well. Refrigerate for at least half an hour before use. Now let's make the skin for the Xiao Long Bao. Add some salt to the flour, then the water. Knead the dough until it picks up all the flour in the bowl. Let it rest for a few minutes. Use a rolling pin to roll out the dough into a long rectangle. Then roll it up like making a Swiss roll. Turn the dough 90 degrees and repeat the rolling process. Repeat this process for 5 times. And then cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. Repeat this roll out, roll up, and resting step 3 times. The dough is ready when it becomes shiny and smooth. Cut the dough into small portions. Flatten each portion with your palm to form a circle. Roll out each portion. The center should be thicker with a thinner peripheral. Next, wrap the Xiao Long Bao. Scoop some filling at the center of the skin and make sure it is clear from the side. Fold the skin by pinching it with the thumb and index finger. Seal the Xiao Long Bao by pinching the skin together at the last fold. Now I'll show you the pleating process from the other angle. Final step, steam the Xiao Long Bao. Arrange the Xiao Long Bao in a dim sum steamer. Cover and steam over medium to high heat about 8 minutes. Once it is done, it is best to serve hot immediately. If you open up the Xiao Long Bao, the broth inside will flow out immediately. That's why it is best to serve on a spoon.
That's how I make the Xiao Long Bao at home. You can get the recipe by following the link in the description right below the video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give me a like. I'll see you again in another videos on this channel soon. Bye for now.